So let me show you how to use Screencastify. So I'm on the home page for Google, and I'm going to go to the upper right-hand corner where the three dots are. Click on the three dots, and go down to More Tools, and then Extensions. And then what I'm going to do is, typically when you get to this screen, you'll see a bunch of extensions that you could possibly add. As it turns out, at the bottom, you can see Screencastify right there. But if you did not see Screencastify, you could actually start typing in Screencastify, and there it is. Now, in this case, it says remove because I've already added Screencastify to my web browser. So yours, if it says remove, it means you already have Screencastify, and I can show you where that would be. But if you don't, you would click add. And once you add this extension, you then have Screencastify added to your Chrome browser. This is specifically for Google Chrome only. And up in the right-hand corner, you'll see this little red arrow. That is Screencastify. So you click on that button right there, and you'll see a dialog box open up, and you have three options: browser tab, desktop, or webcam only. In this case, I'm going to use desktop because I want to have my picture at the bottom right, and I also want them to be able to see what I'm doing on my computer. Obviously, be very careful with what you have on your computer, that what you're showing them is appropriate and specific to your lesson. So I'm going to hit record, and here's me at the bottom. And now I'm going to say, yes, share my screen. Once I hit share, you're going to hear a countdown and then the bing, which indicates that right now it is being recorded. So that means that anything that you see on this screen, including myself, is actually being recorded. So let's imagine right now I'm working on an AP theory thing. And here's an example of something that we were working on in class, which apparently is taking some time to load up. And I can show them, okay, this is, it's asking for a specific question. It's saying the downbeat measure 1, the organ's bass note represents which member of the chord. My apologies for my slow internet connection. But you get the idea. So you can use this to be a teaching tool, and you're giving them instructions and you're showing them what to do in any situation. So once you're done, you would click stop sharing, and you'll notice once I hit stop sharing, a screen's going to pop up. Let it do its thing. This is previewing for you what we have just recorded. So you're seeing what has just been done. Okay. You can rename it up here and call it whatever you want. And you can say theory lesson. And then you basically have the options of downloading it, publishing it to YouTube, basically anything. It's entirely up to you. And then you share this with your students. So that's Screencastify in a nutshell. I hope this was helpful, guys. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to email me. Thanks again.